3 seconds, everyone. Run to the middle. Let's go. Again, 1357, left side, 2468, right side.
Go lower right.
Gunman.
6 to 8, 6 to 8. Go lower right, lower right, lower right.
Guys, please use Gunbantain for the wizards. Make sure you remove all the land protection. Teams 3 and 4, can you
6 to 8.
take
Go
lower
lower right,
left?
6 to 8.
Teams 3 and 4, go lower left.
5 to 8. Sama na rin kayo. 5. 5 to 8. 5 to 8 na. Go lower right, go lower right. 5 to 8.
Marami dyan.
Hindi ako abos na abos. Sakto.
Yes na. Okay.
Diba?
3 and 4, take lower left. 1 and 2, defend middle.
Just hold, just hold, just hold.
Maybe 5 and 6, Wano, you can ask
Pwede
them
na.
to help us here.
Yeah, 5 and 6. Go middle. 7, 8. Kuna kami small turret habang wala pa.
Sige, sige. Basta mag-iwan kayo ng kukuha.
Go right,
kukuha ng
lower right,
puntahan.
lower right. 7, 8, 7, 8. Go lower right.
Just leave people, Wano, na magde-drain ng turret. Kasi baka
5
hindi
to
nila
6.
alam eh.
Just hold mid.
Everyone, to those who still don't know, you have to stay in the turret so you can drain it. Drain the points. You see the like watery thing in the middle. That's the points.
Diyan mo na lang muna yung 5 to 6 kaya na. Kailangan niyo bang tulong?
Lower left, I think.
Hindi, di kami makakatawid na ng lower.
Sige, yaman na, yaman. Okay na dito, okay na dito. Okay na muna dito. Good job sa medium and
6 and
small.
6 to 8. 7 to 8 after you take right side. Go back to the big outpost. Lower right, lower right.
Just make sure may
Nemesis,
iwan kayong magde-drain ha.
Lower
I
right,
think,
lower right.
Wano,
7, 8.
Wano, 5 to 8, I think you can go lower left. 9 seconds.
Kami kalabang kami dito. Hindi pa nalock. Okay. Go lower left, go lower left. 5 to 8.
1 to 4. 1 to 4.
Go to the medium tablet, medium tablet.
Lower left, fix.
Yeah, lower left, lower left. 5 to 8. Medium tablet. Take the medium tablet.
Guys, do not PvP on upper left. Who are you, people? Go
Okay.
back here.
Let's go lower left. Too many on lower left.
Just wipe, just wipe.
Teams 3 and 4, go to lower left. Help them. 1 and 2, stay here.
Fix.
Just hold, just hold, just hold. Hold.
Nakukuha dito. 1 to 4, go back here at middle.
Kunin mo na yung 5 to 6.
5 to 8.
5 to 6, go
5
to
and
middle.
6. Go mid.
7, 8, just stay lower left. We need to drain.
1 to 6, let's go
7, 8,
mid.
7, 8, just stay here. Pag nakuha nyo, anahin nyo yung upper right, Raf. Kukunin na namin itong lower left na lang.
Sige, sige.
Nandito na kami.
Sige. 1 to 6, stay here.
Kaya, stay ka muna. Kaya mo ba stay dito?
Let's retake.
7, go lower left. Left side, left side. Get the medium tablet, 2 seconds.
Okay, good.
Solve for a bit.
Hindi yata namin makuha yung upper right. Invested sila doon.
Okay.
Take nyo na lang yung lahat ng turret dyan sa lower left. Labang tayo. Pag kinuha nyo yan, ha?
Okay na. Left side, left side. 7, 8, 7, 8. Okay na ba yung 5 to 6? Kailangan pa?
5 to 6, kunin nyo na. 5 to 6, I
5
think
to 6,
pwede kayo
5 to 8.
mag-lower right.
Left side, medium.
May
medium
kalaban ba
turret.
kayo dyan?
Lower
meron.
right.
Meron. Pero onti lang. Mag-lower right sila. Pero
3 and
makukuha
4.
namin
Ay,
to.
palipat na sila.
And then, dito pa sila. Dito pa.
Okay. 3
parties
and
na lang.
4. 3
Sa
and
left
4,
side.
please take lower right. Parties 3 and 4, lower right. 1 and 2, stay here in the middle.
So, just hold. Okay, 5 to 6 you can help middle. 5 to 6 you can help middle. 7, 8
No,
just stay
middle,
left side first.
middle is fine.
Ah.
Lower right. We
Okay,
need
okay.
we need lower right.
5 to 6 go lower right.
Go Bex. Let's go
Never
lower.
mind middle. We only have 12 points remaining here. Even if they get this,
Isunod
it
nyo na
will be pointless for
yung
them.
upper right, Raf. Mag-zone out na lang muna kami dito.
Medyo impossible 'yon kasi maraming tao dito.
Hindi kaya. Okay.
Hindi kaya 'yan.
Kami na lang.
So,
7, 8.
just like-
7, 8 go upper right. 7, 8 go upper right. Ang dami nila sa mid. Ano kami.
1 to 4 lower right. After this, we will be regrouping in middle,
Block
everyone.
kami.
Regroup na lang tayong middle, ha?
Ah,
After this. Go back to middle, teams 2 to 4. Team 1, stay here at lower right. 2 to 4, go middle. 1 need help sa mid yata.
sa mid kami. 7,
Okay.
8 go mid. 7, 8 go mid.
About 6.
Papuntay mo na lang yung 5 to 6 kung saan may extra mid.
5 to 6, you can take the small one at 7 o'clock.
Bex.
That's
Bex,
lower
7
left.
o'clock. Lower left.
Team 1, everyone except Nymeria, let's go to middle. Nymeria, stay there. Just try to drain that. Okay, let's take this one. Lower left one, 5 to 8.
Okay. 5 to 8 left side. 5 to 8. Medium tablet.
Na kami sa left na.
Pwede mo na i-abandon yan, Nymeria. Teams 1 to 4, just stay at mid. Let's drain this one first. No need to push upper right.
Bakbakan sa left side.
Pakbakan dyan. 1 to 4,
5 out na.
2 to 4, go to lower right.
Zaya, stick mo nga tong left side saglit. 5 to 8, help middle. 5 to 8. Go middle first. Regroup muna tayo dito. Pag may lumabas
Okay
na
na
lang ulit.
okay na tong middle.
Hindi, habang wala, okay na tong left side dun Si Zaya
Okay na
nandun.
yan. Yung ano
Ah,
na lang, lower right.
Para habang wait.
Yung lower right na lang. Paubos na yung points nito nung middle.
Okay. Zaya, sabi mo pag meron na sa'yo 5 to 8, go lower right. 5 to 8, go lower right. Papuntahin mo na lang yung 1 to 4 sa taas rap. May
Taas.
malapit.
Upper left.
Upper
2 to 4, masyadong malayo yun. Masyadong malayo yung tatawirin nila doon.
Andito na kami sa lower right.
2
Nakatawid
to
na
4, just take the far right tablet. The small one. May kalaban na tayong lower left.
Lower right. May kalaban nga lower right.
Marami.
Sakto.
Kaya nyo. Anda, kasama yung Salawano dyan.
Wipe out na.
Lower
Left
left,
side
it's
ulit.
fine.
5 to 8, 5 to 8. Go left side egg.
Ano na, yung upper left na lang yan, Wano. And then prepare for
Okay,
mid, 10 seconds.
Next.
We can wipe them first at mid. Siguro, Wano.
Sige.
Kung pupunta man sila dito. 1 to 4, go mid.
5
5
to
to
8,
8,
go mid. 5 to 8, go mid. Go mid. Mabilisan lang. Scatter na lang tayo after.
Next, may armor is
sige,
broken.
sige. Just clear the turret at the middle as fast as you can, guys. Okay. Walang makuha, no? Walang bago?
Wala.
Wala. Drain middle first. Yung upper left, paubos na yan I think. So we just drain mid first and then wait for the next tablet. Ma ah, ang pangit talaga na itong map na to. Parang bruskuhan lang, no?
Sigaan lang.
Zone
Oo,
out,
sige,
zone
ano
out lang
to?
sa gitna yung ano dito.
Upper right, ano?
Upper right, 5 to 8. 5 to 8, go upper right, tablet, medium.
Teams 2 to 4, go lower left. 2 to 4, lower left.
Team 6 nasa upper right ka.
Sige, 5 to 8
Papunta
kayo dyan,
sila.
upper right.
Lang.
Sige lang. I-retake na lang din yung lower left.
Hindi nila kaya.
Everyone in team 1, let's go to lower left. Help them.
Oh, shit.
Ano kayo?
Hindi. Matay lang. Nakalaman.
Kuha niya.
Lagi pa ako ng ESG.
Tatats. Tatats.
Tapos na eh. We're just draining here. Teams 2 to 4, take the far left turret.
May pag-clash lang kami dito, nandito pa sila sa upper right.
Sige.
Ulit ba yung mga cross?
Yung mga cross.
Rubex, just kill them.
Zaya, saan ka?
Ready mid in 30
5 to 8,
seconds.
just wipe them at upper right. 5 to 8. 5 to 8, just wipe them. Wipe them.
Here. One party lang kalaban dito.
Yeah, middle 10 seconds, everyone. Okay, everyone, let's go mid. Just
Mabawas sa...
everyone except 2 to 4. 2 to 4 go to lower left. All teams take middle. If no walang magko-contest dito Wano. Punta ka na lang sa
Okay.
lower left.
So upper right.
Walang nag-contest ng mid, walang nag-contest ng mid.
May upper right pa
Just-
banda.
Lower left na lang, lower left. Take lower left.
Lower left,
And then-
5 to 8.
We'll be done after this. I guess it's a landslide.
Dami nila dun
Sa ang dami na dun sa...
Hindi nila ako.
Marami rito. 1 to 4, 1 to 4. Please go back here at middle.
May...
Kapalik na kami dyan. All in na lang natin yan, Raf. 100 points.
Tapos naman na, no? Tapos na to.
5
Let's
to
just
8,
take
go
mid.
middle.
Go mid, go mid.
We're done after this. This mode, it's easier, but I think the stronger guild will win here. No need for extra strategy. Or maybe they're just bad in this game. I don't know.
They don't know what to do, no?
Hey, do eyes. Congrats. Yan, Buster. Most kills again.
188 assist.
Nice game, everyone. Well played. That was smooth. Congratulations, everyone.